This is a Lockwood B7. You can tell because it says Lockwood B7. So this has either 2 rows of pins or 1 row of staggered pins. You have some that come down from here, and you have some that come down from here. And when I go in to pick it, I have to just adjust the pick to which one of the pins that's binding back and forth. There's the key, there's the bitting. So I'm going to use a Lawlocks Tools Hooligan bar and 47 thousandths and the number 3 pick from the Reaper set to try to get into this. Something at a 1, something at a 2, something at a 3, maybe something at a 4, nothing on 5. Six, little falset. Well, falset anyway. 7, bigger falset. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to go back to number 5, we'll call it. And I overset 5 because this has those Lockwood spools in there that like to overset because they're short. I just dropped off a little tension and it opened up. So that's the Lockwood B7.